Hello friends, is your engine making unusual knocking sounds, losing power, or is your check engine light on? If your scanner shows P0331, this means there's an issue with your Knock Sensor 2 circuit on bank 2. Ignoring this can lead to poor engine performance, reduced fuel efficiency, and even major engine damage. In this video, we'll explain what P0331 means, symptoms, sensor location, and how to fix it. Let's begin. What is P0331? P0331 stands for Knock Sensor 2 Circuit Range Performance, Bank 2. This means that the knock sensor on bank 2 is not working properly, preventing the powertrain control module from detecting engine knocking or detonation. The knock sensor helps the PCM adjust ignition timing for better performance. If the sensor malfunctions, the engine may misfire, lose power, and consume more fuel than normal. Common symptoms of P0331 include the check engine light turning on, engine knocking or pinging sounds, reduced power and poor acceleration, increased fuel consumption, and engine hesitation or misfires. Ignoring this issue can lead to severe engine damage over time. The Knock Sensor 2 for bank 2 is located in these areas, typically found on the engine block, cylinder head, or intake manifold, opposite to bank 1. Okay, so first, let's check the wiring harness and connectors. You need to look for any loose, broken, or corroded wires leading to the knock sensor. If everything looks good there, we move on to the PCM, or Powertrain Control Module. Sometimes, even if the sensor and wiring are fine, the issue might lie with the PCM. Now let's go over some common causes of the P0331 error code. First, a faulty knock sensor, also known as KS2, could be the culprit. The sensor may be worn out or damaged. Second, wiring issues like loose, shorted, or corroded wires can disrupt the signal. Third, excessive engine carbon buildup can cause incorrect knock readings. Fourth, using fuel with a lower octane rating than recommended can lead to knocking. And finally, a PCM failure might mean that the powertrain control module is not processing knock sensor signals correctly. Alright, let's dive into the steps to fix the P0331 error code. Step 1, scan for additional codes, such as P0325 or P0330, to check for any related issues. Step 2, locate the knock sensor, or KS2, on bank 2 and inspect it for any visible damage or corrosion. Step 3, check and clean the wiring harness and connectors for any loose or broken connections. Step 4, if carbon buildup is found in the engine, clean the combustion chamber. Step 5, use higher octane fuel if required to reduce knocking. And finally, Step 6, if necessary, replace the knock sensor, also known as KS2, and clear the trouble code. Step 7, if the issue persists, test or reprogram the PCM. Step 8, clear the codes and take a test drive to confirm the repair. A faulty knock sensor 2 on bank 2 can lead to loss of power, poor fuel economy, and even severe engine damage if ignored. Fixing P0331 will restore smooth performance and prevent costly repairs. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos. P0318, rough road knock sensor signal, and P0319, crankshaft position variation not learned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.